Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the microwave cleaner in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Topast Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Angry Mom Microwave Oven Steam Cleaner and disinfects with vinegar and water for kitchens. Steamer cleaning equipment easily cleans the crud in minutes. Green. Use steam to clean the crud from your microwave. Just add vinegar and water. Then microwave for 7 minutes. No need to use dangerous chemical and stain removers. The steam comes out of Mama's head and softens microwave dirt and stains for easier cleaning. Easy to use. First remove Angry Mama's hair and head from body. Then add vinegar and water to fill lines on the body. Add a squeeze of lemon juice or essence to liquid for a pleasant odor. Angry Mama cuts microwave cleaning time in less than half. Cute, clever design will make a great gift for any occasion. Number 4. Wanis Angry Mama Microwave Oven Cleaner. Mom Steam Cleaner. Just add vinegar and water. High-temperature steamer cleaning equipment easily cleans the crud in minutes. Use this Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Just need add vinegar and water. Then, microwave for 5 to 7 minutes to clean all the crud from your microwave or oven. Cuts microwave cleaning time in less than half. Say goodbye to dangerous chemical and stain removers. Our creative microwave cleaner will not release harmful substances for human body in high-temperature environment. A powerful non-toxic microwave cleaner with all-natural steam power. Easy to use. First remove Angry Mama's hair and head from body. Then add vinegar and water to fill lines on the body. Add a squeeze of lemon juice or essence to liquid for a pleasant odor. Finally, put it in your microwave and heat 5 to 7 minutes. Number 3. Adnoc Microwave Cleaner. 2 PCS Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Microwave Oven Steam Cleaner easily clean in minutes. Cleans. Add vinegar and water for home or office with English manual. Creative and unique. Use Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner to clean the crud from your microwave. Just add vinegar and water. Then, microwave for 7 minutes. No need to use dangerous chemical and stain removers. Easy to use. First remove Angry Mama's hair and head from body. Then add vinegar and water to fill lines on the body. Add a squeeze of lemon juice or essence to liquid for a pleasant odor. Angry Mama cuts microwave cleaning time in less than half. Easily cleans. The steam comes out of Mama's head and softens microwave dirt and stains for easier cleaning. Best gift. Cute and clever design makes Angry Mom Microwave Cleaner a perfect gift for any occasion and be a welcome addition in the microwave cleaner. Number 2. GB Quality Volcano Microwave Oven Cleaner. Kitchen Gadget Water and Vinegar Cleaning Erupting High-Temperature Steamer. Easy use. Eco cleans for home office. Chemicals free. Never use strong, harmful, and unsafe detergents. With Volcano, all you need is water and vinegar, a natural environment, friendly non-toxic cleaner. Steam and water. Erupting Volcano has a smart design of the holes on the top. Steam comes out of the holes under high temperature and softens microwave dirt and stains. All you need is wiping the dirt with sponge. Little time, little work. Cut your cleaning time in half. Let Volcano run on high for 7 minutes. Cleaning has never been easier and friendly. Funny design. Cleaning your microwave does not have to be boring. This clever design will put a smile on your face. It is a perfect gift for Mother's Day, Christmas, or any other occasion. Number 1. ACZURXLI Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Oven Steam Cleaner Disinfectant with vinegar and water for kitchen. Funny, easily to clean crud in minutes. Useful. Cool Gadgets English Manual. Green. Gift is to Mom. Mom was tired of breaking fingernails trying to scrub and scrape off their crusted on food. The Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner easily cleans stubborn and dirty stains from the microwave. This cleaning gadget makes cleaning the microwave a breeze. Clean dirt. Just add vinegar and water to the Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Then place it in the microwave for 7 minutes. Hot steam blasts from the head of the microwave cleaner to soften and release microwave dirt and stains for quick and easy cleaning. Say goodbye to dangerous chemicals and stain removers.